In this video we are going to talk about the best full tower case in this year, which is Phanteks Enthoo Pro. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. The Phanteks Enthoo Pro is a mid-tower computer case that was first released in 2014. It is a popular choice among PC enthusiasts and gamers due to its spacious design, flexible cooling options, and clean aesthetic. Here are some key details about the Phanteks Enthoo Pro. Dimensions: 235mm W x 535mm H x 550mm D. Weight: 11 kilograms. Motherboard support: eATX, ATX, Micro ATX, Mini ITX. Expansion slots: 8. Drive bays: 5.25-inch external bays, 3. 3.5-inch internal bays, 6. 2.5-inch internal bays, 7. Cooling: front, up to 2x140mm or 3x120mm fans, 2x140mm included. Top, up to 3x140mm or 4x120mm fans, optional. Rear, 1x140mm or 1x120mm fan, 1x140mm included. Bottom, up to 2x140mm or 2x120mm fans, optional. Side, up to 2x140mm or 2x120mm fans, optional. Radiator support: front, up to 240mm or 280mm radiator. Top, up to 360mm or 420mm radiator. Rear, up to 140mm radiator. Bottom, up to 240mm radiator. Front I/O panel: 2x USB 3.0, 2x USB 2.0, mic and headphone jacks. Power and reset buttons. Cable management: 35mm clearance behind motherboard tray. Material: steel and plastic. Colors: black and white. Overall, the Phanteks Enthoo Pro is a high-quality case that offers plenty of space for components and customizable cooling options. Its clean and modern design make it a popular choice for those who want a stylish and functional PC build. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.